Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily install Chat GPT for Google Sheets. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Sheet on any of your web browser and log in with your account details. Then go to Extension, choose the option of Add-on and Get Add-ons. Then after, in this Google Workspace Marketplace, search for GPT. Choose the option of GPT for Slides and you will see in the results at the top GPT Workplace. Simply click on it. Once it opens, choose the option of Install and now you need to verify your Gmail account. Choose any one of the Gmail account with which you want to use the Google Sheets. After that, again click on Continue. Now, once you have clicked on Continue, shortly you need to allow the permission for the Gmail account to access your information. After that, as you can see, this add-on has been downloaded in your Gmail account. So now you can simply use ChatGPT for Google Sheets. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.